Dear children, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about fifth chapter, that is measures of lines and angles. So exercise 5.2. Before we are going to discuss about types of angles. Types of angles. So zero angle, right angle, straight angle, complete angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. What about these are? First, zero angle. An angle is exactly exactly 0 degrees. This is the 0 degrees. 0 degree, so it is called zero angle. An angle is exactly 0 degrees, so it is called zero angle. So right angle next one. An angle is exactly 90 degrees. An angle is exactly 90 degrees, so it is called right angle triangle. Right angle. Next angle what children? Straight angle. An angle is exactly 180 degrees, so it is called right angle. What about straight angle children? An angle is exactly 180 degrees, so it is called straight angle triangle. Now complete angle. What children? Complete angle. An angle is exactly 360 degrees, so it is called straight angle, complete angle triangle. 1 second children. Zero angle. An angle is exactly 0 degrees, so it is called zero angle triangle. Now right angle triangle. An angle is exactly 90 degrees, so it is called right angle triangle. Straight angle. An angle is exactly 180 degrees, so it is called straight angle triangle. Complete angle. An angle is exactly 360 degrees, that is the 360 degrees, so it is called complete angle. Next, one more, the three types are there: acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. One feature. Acute angle. So, what about acute angle? An angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Between an angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That means above 0 and below 90. So that angle is called acute angle. So an angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So that angle is called acute angle. Obtuse angle. Between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. This angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So that means above 90, below 180. Above 90, below 180. So it is called obtuse angle. Now reflex angle. Reflex angle. What about reflex angle mean? Between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So that angle is called reflex angle. Once again, children, acute angle. This angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 190 degrees. Reflex angle is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So these are called acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. So clear, children. Next, exercise 5.2. First one. First one, write true or false, correct all those that are false. So first one, children, an angle smaller than right angle is acute angle. Once see, children, an angle smaller than right angle, so is acute angle. Yes, what about acute angle, children? So an angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. It's mean above 0, below 90. This statement also smaller than right angle. So it is called acute. So this statement is true. Next one. A right angle measures 180 degrees. So it's false. An right angle is measures what, children? 90 degrees. So a right angle measures 90 degrees. That is the correct answer. So that is the false. A straight angle measures 90 degrees. This is also wrong. A straight angle measures what, children? 180 degrees. So this statement is false. What is the correct statement? A straight angle measures 180 degrees. Fourth one. The measures greater than 180 degrees is a reflex angle. Yes, it is true. More than 180 degrees. What about reflex angle, children? Between 180 degrees and 360. Between 180 means what? 180, above 180. This statement is the measure greater than, above means greater. Then 180 is a reflex angle. So this statement is true. Fifth one. A complete angle measures 360 degrees. A complete angle measures what, children? 360 degrees. So it's true. Next, second problem. I will explain on this board this problem. Which angles in the adjacent figure are acute and which are obtuse? In this figure, which angle are acute angle, which are obtuse angle? So what about acute? It's between 0 and 90. Between 0 and 90, that means below right angle is called acute angle. So what about obtuse? Above 90 degrees. So these two below 90 degrees. This angle above 90 degrees. This is the below 90 degrees. This is the above 90 degrees. So angle 1, angle 3 are called acute angle. Angle 2 and angle 4 are obtuse angle. This is the acute angle. Opposite angle also acute. This is the obtuse angle in quadrilateral. Opposite angle also obtuse angle. So acute angles are in this figure angle 1 and angle 3. Here, obtuse angle. Angle 1, sorry, angle 2 and angle 4. Both are obtuse angles. Clear, children? Yes. Next, third problem. What is the measure of these angles? What is the largest angle? Draw an angle larger than the largest angle. Yes. What is the largest angle here? The first one, diagram given B, C, A. E, D, F. PQR. See children. So angle ABC, angle DEF, angle PQR. See children, this angle acute angle. Why? Because this is the below 90. This is the acute angle above 90. This angle exactly 90 degrees, right angle. So angle PQR how many degrees? 90 degrees. How many degrees children? 90 degrees. This is the acute. I can measure. It is a 70 degrees angle. It is a 70 degrees angle. Use a protractor. So this angle also, this angle acute angle, this angle is 120 degrees. So use a protractor. Clear children? So this is the 70 degrees angle, this is the 120 degrees angle. So here in this, which is the largest angle children? ABC 70 degrees, PQR 90 degrees. DEF how much? 120. So this is the largest angle. This is the largest angle. So largest angle equal to 120, whatever angle DEF, that is 120 degrees. Clear children? Right. Next, fourth problem. Fourth problem, write the type of angle formed between the long hand and short hand of a clock at the given timings. Take the small hands as the base. First problem. At 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock in the morning, at that 9 o'clock in the morning. So you can say this which type of angle. So first draw clock. Okay. Which o'clock children? 9 o'clock. So here small hand, long hand like this. So this is the angle. Which angle children? This is the right angle. So here at 9 o'clock in the morning, which angle is formed children? Right angle. Which angle children? Right angle. Here asking, write the type of angle formed between the long hand and short hand. This is the short hand, this is the long hand. Which type of angle formed between short hand and long hand? Which angle here formed children? Right angle. So that's why your answer is right angle. Next problem. At 6 o'clock in the evening, at 6 o'clock in the evening. In the evening. Yes, here 9, 6, 12, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 6 o'clock, that is the short hand. Long hand. So, which angle formed children here? Straight angle. This which angle children? Straight angle. Straight angle. One see children here. Can I rub? This angle is a zero angle. So no angle from here. Any angle is not from here. So it is called a zero angle. Here angle form, this is the right angle. So 90 degrees. It is called a right angle. here formed this angle. This is called straight angle. Straight angle. This is the 180 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle. Next, reflex angle. This angle. This angle is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. This angle is a acute angle. This angle is a accuse angle. This angle is what, children? Accuse angle. Here round, that means complete angle. This angle what, children? Complete angle. So this is the zero angle. This is the right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, acute angle, accuse angle, complete angle. Clear, children? Next. Now coming to fourth problem. Now we are coming to take fourth problem. Third bit. Third problem in fourth bit. 12 known at, this is the third. At 12 known. 9, 3, 12, 6. So this is the 12 known. Which angle, children? Zero angle. No angle found here. So it is a zero angle. Next, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 4 o'clock afternoon. So here 4 o'clock afternoon. 4 o'clock short hand. So here long hand. So which angle, children? More than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees. It is accused angle. Which angle, children? Accused angle. Next, fifth one. At 8 o'clock in the night. At 8 o'clock in the night. At 8 o'clock in the night. Short hand, long hand. Here night. Night mean take this angle. Which angle है children? This angle. This angle is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So it is called reflex angle. This angle is called what, children? Reflection angle. Why? Because 8 o'clock in the night. In the night. So it is a reflex angle. Clear? Next. Match the angles by measure. Draw figures for as on. Children, match the angles by measure on well. Draw figures for these are these as well. Right, children. Acute angle group A. Group B. Group A, group B. First one, acute angle. The second one, right angle. Accused angle. Reflex angle. Straight angle. In group B, 90 degrees, 270 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees, and 150 degrees. So now match the following, children. In group A, acute angle, right angle, accused angle, reflex angle, straight angle given. In group B, degrees given 90, 270, 45, 180, 150. So what about acute angle, children? Between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. In this, between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, which is the correct answer? 45. 45 there, between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So this is the which angle, children? Acute angle. Right. Now right angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. So exactly 90 degrees. That is called right angle. Accused angle between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So 150 is between 90 degrees and 180. So it is called accused angle. Now reflex angle. What about reflex angle, children? Between 180 degrees and 360. So 270 is there between 90 degrees and 360 degrees. So 270 degrees is a reflex angle. Now straight angle. It is exactly 180 degrees. So it is a straight angle. So this is the answer of this math. The following. Clear, children? Yes. Today class is completed. In next class, I will explain to you intersecting line, perpendicular line, and a parallel line.